So, hello. Once again, I'm back on the not so old and not so new Lenovo Legion 5 Pro AMD edition. And once again, I'm recording locally and streaming on YouTube live service at let's just say 2K resolution. And this system is running PikaOS 4 GNOME 49.2 Wayland, and I will show you soon the full details of the system. And also I wanted to say that I've done even a bit more of customization, so I'll try to show you once again how things have been progressing in the past few days, and how I even solved a problem that I had on yesterday's stream and recording. And also I was quite glad to see that both the recording and the stream were flawless. Basically, the stream can be seen online at 1440p resolution, and the same basically with the upload that I did on my YouTube channel. So the way I see it, in my at least case, it's win-win. Anyway, let's just see the system information on the terminal. I will zoom in for now. I think this is good. As I said, PikaOS 4. The native screen resolution is 2560 by 1600 and is 165 Hz. GNOME 49.2 Wayland, and of course the CPU is AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, and the GPU is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Mobile or Max-Q, and the system has 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage. Anyway, before I will proceed with the rest of the things, I will show you the system settings for the system information. As you can see here, I will go to system details, Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, 16 GB of RAM, CPU, GPU, PikaOS 4, GNOME version 49, Wayland, GG. So yeah. Yesterday, for those who watched the stream or the recording on the YouTube channel, you have seen me opening plenty of apps that I'm using on the system, and I was caught by surprise because my PDF arranger didn't work yesterday. Of course, I solved it, or I think I did. Let's see now. Yep, no problem. PDF arranger is back, and once again I will show you the OBS settings. I'm using once again the hardware encoding. Hardware NVIDIA basically H.264 for the stream, and the same thing basically for recording. Basically, although they use the same system, both are hardware NVIDIA H.264, the settings are a bit different. Excuse me. The stream, I think it has a bit lower quality than the recording, but more or less it's about the same in general. Anyway, this is the OBS, going back to the apps. So I'll do the same thing like yesterday, but before I will do that, I mean to load the apps that I'm using, I'll launch a game that more often than not I'm not playing, even though I wish I would be playing it more. But yeah, anyway, I'm talking about Final Fantasy XIV, and let me type my code, authenticator code. This is a nice application that anyone who is using Windows or Linux should be trying to use. It's called XIV Lancer or 14 Lancer, and with it you can just enter your two-factor authentication basically code and load up the game or patch it up or whatever. And let's just see if the system will hold up, will not break down. This is a first ever test for me on this system. I mean, recording locally, streaming at 2K resolution nonetheless, and playing the game at the same time. We will see together how the system will hold up. Hopefully it will be no problem. Unlike the other time that I used MX Linux to run on 4K resolution and stream on full HD, this is not the same. So yeah, I already hear the fans blasting, ramping up to almost full blast. But anyway, things seem nice so far. Let's load up the character. I left the character in the capital city. It's kinda you know, a hub for multiple players, so most probably when I will log in, it will have a good amount of people already in that town, in that place, in that hub, which is also stretching out the system. It's not like being in an easy spot for the game. But yeah, this is a good test for me as well. Oh, no problem at all. Just doing expose, no problem at all. Yeah. Okay, this is nice. This is nice, I must say. And let's sense the game. Let's feel the game, how it plays. I must say that yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, so good. It must be 50-60 FPS for sure. Even though it's like plenty of people around. Let's check it out. Yeah, 60 FPS, no problem. Anyway, we're not here to play the game, but I just wanted to test the system, how it reacts with recording, streaming and all that. I'll just continue loading up more apps, and I will start with the apps that I'm using mostly. For example, GNOME Tweaks, resources, yeah, I'll try to load up all the apps that I have on my dock basically. Let's do that. It's like nothing. This is another thing that I was fighting with the system. Okay, no problem. Yeah, it's a beast. I love it. And let's open up a file. Let's go to 48. I think this was the last night's. Yes. And Kdenlive. Okay. Welcome to PikaOS. I already opened up a PDF arranger, but let's keep on going. Let's bring up some more apps. Contacts, weather, what else? Another browser. Oh, nothing. It's like the system, it's like no problem at all. Wow. I mean, this is already amazing to me. It's like, let's go back to the game. Yeah, like nothing. Amazing. Yeah, I was watching a video the other day that was complaining and saying that, oh, Linux this and that, oh, I will go back to Windows, it's only good if you are using the web and that's about it. Well, okay, I beg to differ in practice. I stream, record, video edit, audio edit, play my game. I don't know. Yeah, you can go back to Windows, no problem, but just for the sake of it, let's just load some more apps, like, I don't know, photos. Boom. And this is like after a restart. I will show you my terminal again. Let me do another terminal, sorry. 60 minutes uptime. And yeah, I mean, like, wow. I will keep on going, I will keep loading a few more apps. It's already for me like no need, but yeah. I mean, I like what I see, and yeah, insane. Heroic Games Lancer. I know it's empty. As I said, this is a test system just to take a first look, a sneak peek on PikaOS 4, and so far I must say rock solid. And last but not least, this one. I didn't select the letters. That was a mistake that I did. Okay. Superb. Look at this. Like no problem whatsoever. Nothing. It doesn't stutter. It doesn't like. As I said, if you see some stuttering or some slowdown, it's because I stream and record on 25 frames per second basically. I will show you that on my OBS. Otherwise the system feels insanely smooth. 25 frames per second at let's just say 1440p screen resolution. What can I say? Great. And keep always in mind that I will exit the game. It's no need to have it anymore loaded. I must say that even the stream that you're watching now have a few extra effects on my web camera, and yeah, flawless. And I will start closing now the apps. Let's just do that. Let's just use the expose. Maybe this is faster. Yeah. This needs for me to say yes, close. That's why I didn't close. I didn't notice it at first. I thought it stuck or something. But it asks me, are you sure you want to quit this app? But I will not quit this app, I will just keep it. Okay, and while there, I forgot to mention that as always I'm having my backgrounds on the loop, changing every minute. So everything you saw, this is another extra thing. Plus I have full effects in the system, like even some extra effects through extensions. I'm using at the moment, as you can see, these extensions. I'll explain this in the near future and how I customize the system and so on. But trust me, this is insane. In my opinion, for like 4 to 5, maybe 6 years old systems to be able to do these things, for me it's just amazing. And the thing is, it's rock solid, so to speak. I even damaged the system and I was able to recover without need to format or whatever. And maybe I admit, maybe I was lucky about it, but it's insane to me. Anyway, maybe you noticed it, maybe you didn't. I had better some minor but still better progress with OBS and Kdenlive in theming, I mean. Let me open up Kdenlive again. So yeah, it's like I think I will not push any further towards the theming aspect of the situation. I will just go ahead in the next 2, maybe 3 videos. I will explain how I customize the things. My guide will be not so big like Void Linux, or maybe not as big as EndeavourOS guide even, because mostly everything is already included with the system, either via extensions or via the built-in settings, and I'll just have to point you where to check and enable those settings. And I think mostly my guide will be visual guide through the videos this time for PikaOS 4. Honestly, a very good distribution for anyone that wants, like the cherry on top, maybe play a few games as well. I'm not a gamer myself, so I cannot fully get myself behind it, but at least I know that I just grabbed my files, my Final Fantasy files from the other computer, dropped them in this one, run the game, and no problem at all. It's like that, and I was gaming. It beats to reinstall the game and all that, all over from the start and all that. But yeah, what can I say? If you're feeling adventurous and you're not afraid to switch to a new system, because I know nowadays, especially the younger generations, the younger people out there are special snowflakes. They are afraid to go on an adventure with their computers or something. Also, they think because using Windows, it's an adventure on itself, and I don't know why one puts themselves over that shite of a system, but that's just me. Anyway, I think I'll have to stop now ranting about the positive things regarding this distribution. Am I a fan of this distribution? Not really. I don't have great experiences with it. As I said, my favorite so far from what I have shown you and what I have seen myself, for some reason it's Void Linux. At least in my opinion, I prefer Void Linux, and but I can see the great tools that MX Linux offers to anyone that dares to use it, and same with PikaOS 4. I can see that one can enjoy these two distributions, and I feel like Void Linux and EndeavourOS are more like for the adventurous types out there. The ones that like to tinker their systems, or just want to customize their systems as they see fit. Maybe have the game they prefer there, the app they prefer there, and be done with it. And if you feel adventurous, EndeavourOS and Void Linux heads first. And PikaOS 4 and MX Linux 25.1, great solutions to anyone really. And as far as the desktop environment, XFCE versus GNOME, anything goes, since you can have them almost work the same. Anyway, this was it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this this demonstration. If you have an old system similar to this, don't be afraid. Put PikaOS 4 on a USB stick and enjoy. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. See you on the next one, and bye.